Okay, so getting the tires into the sleeves are tough sometimes. I have a 10.5 inch by 6 inch tire here, and I have a 10-inch PVC sleeve. You can tell I've already used it, but I didn't have enough air in the tire and it slid out a little bit. This one isn't bad, the other one was worse. I should have filmed that one, but anyways, to make it center and line up better, I made a little tool right here. It's like a steering wheel puller, but it works like this. You put the tire down with the fat end you want to pull up through. Put that little sleeve over I made. This bolts through. You have to put the plate on the bottom, and let me do that, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, first remove the stem, the core of the stem right there. You have a little tool for that. Works real easy. Just unscrew it, pops out. All the air will then be out of the tire. That's pretty important because any little last bit of air could get trapped in there and cause a problem. So you put your nut with your little plate in the bottom, flip it over. Then it's just a matter of tightening this down. I use the square tubing to give it a little extra strength so it doesn't bend in the middle. It really helps. So you just tighten that up, then throw a nice big wrench on there and just crank. And you can see it bulging as it's coming forward. And you can pretty much stop it exactly where you want it. So it's coming forward. Oops, not a one-handed operation. There, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. There, it slid up there just now. There we go. I'd say that's about perfect. So then just back it off. Meow, meow, meow. There we go. Could have went a little bit more, but that's not bad.